Hello everyone. So today is 9th of December 2021 and I'm starting my trip to Kutch, Gujarat, a 4-day trip from Gandhinagar. I have mounted my luggage in my Xpulse 200 and let's get started. So this chilling winter morning and I have just crossed Sanand. This beautiful sunrise. Let's continue. Okay, so my odometer says I've covered 209 kilometers so far. I had started my journey at 6:30 in the morning. I'm at NH27, stopped for a small breakfast breaks. Honest restaurant on the highway. This site of windmills is beautiful on the highway. On my way to Bhuj on NH27. The time is 3:12 right now, and I reached Bhuj earlier than I expected at around 2 p.m. Planning to move to Mandvi now. I plan to stay there at night and then move on to the other destinations that I plan to visit tomorrow. Maybe tonight I'll visit Mandvi beach and few other places around. So in an hour I'll be at Mandvi. It's 4:30 p.m. and I'm in Mandvi. Just 10 kilometers before Mandvi, I found this beautiful Jainalaya, which is a accommodation lodging place run by the Jain community. It's called 72 Jainalaya, and I found an accommodation for myself to stay tonight. It's a decent place to stay. What else do you expect in 500? Now I plan to continue my sightseeing, for which I have come to Mandvi, starting with Mandvi beach, and post that I'll have my dinner at this Jainalaya, because Jain people don't eat post sunset. So if you don't want to miss your dinner, eat early here. So good evening. I am at 72 Jainalaya, 10 kilometers before Mandvi, and it's a beautiful place. It's a place that I'll be staying tonight. And as all of you would be curious to know why it is known as 72 Jainalaya, so am I. So I am with Shyamji, who is the caretaker of this place. He looks after the place. श्यामजी ध्यान रखते हैं इसका, और श्यामजी हमें बताएंगे कि इसका नाम 72 जैनालय क्यों है।
72 जिनालय का मतलब कि हमारे जैन धर्म में 24 तीर्थंकर होते हैं, तो अगले 24 के 24 तीर्थंकर, इस वर्तमान 24 के 24 तीर्थंकर, और आने वाली 24 है जो उसके 24 तीर्थंकर, मतलब 72। अच्छा, ये तीर्थंकरों के यहाँ विराजमान। अभी वर्तमान में है महावीर स्वामी का शासन चल रहा है, बिल्कुल, तो लास्ट के तीर्थंकर वो थे। हाँ, आप प्रदक्षिणा करेंगे, घूमेंगे ना, तो आपको सब पता चलेगा, उसमें सब लिखा हुआ है। अच्छा, बिल्कुल, धन्यवाद।
So I have decided to start my sightseeing in Mandvi with Shyamji Krishna Verma Memorial. It's a memorial built for Shyamji Krishna Verma, a very important freedom fighter who had set up India House in London and was running the freedom movement from there. The foundation stone was laid by our then Chief Minister and current Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji. So this is the prototype of India House, which was set up by Shyamji Krishna Verma in London. Mandvi is the birthplace of Shyamji Krishna Verma. So finally, we can call it a day. my final destination. What better way to end the day of the first day of my trip by walking on the beach, watching the sun is already set. Still, it's Sandhya Kala, as we say. Still, there is light after the sunset. The day was more travel than sightseeing. Normally, that's how the first day of the trip normally happens. It's more of travel. You travel long distances. Maybe from tomorrow there'll be more destinations to cover. Anyways, it's part of travel. Whatever comes our way, we have to just relish that. Let me enjoy the activity on. Even after sunset, so much activity happening. See the speedboat. So the town, the Mandvi town, it's a small town, but the beach is very lively. Much more, too much activity on the beach, water sports. One can visit the beach for adventure, water sports,